Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics video lecture series. In previous class we have discussed about introduction about section of solids. Now we are going to discuss about problems in section of solids. A square prism of base side 40 mm and axis length 60 mm is resting on HP on one of its bases with a base side inclined 30 degree to HP, 30 degree to VP, 30 degree to VP. It is cut by a plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP and is bisecting the axis of the prism. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of the section. The square prism of base side 40 mm and axis length 60 mm is resting on HP on one of its bases. Okay, two bases available. Any one base resting on HP. So assume this is first quadrant. You are the observer. Base resting on HP. At a time, one of the base side inclined 30 degree to VP. How many base sides? 4 base sides available. Any one base side inclined 30 degree to VP. So draw a 30 degree inclined line and then draw the top view. And then project the front view from the top view. Now the cutting plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. So cutting plane inclined 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. Consider this is our cutting plane. Imagine cutting plane is an imaginary plane to cut the object and show the interior details of the object. So cutting plane perpendicular to inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So inclined 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. This inclination 30 degree and perpendicular to VP. And bisecting the axis of the prism. So the cutting plane passing through the midpoint of the axis. So first initially you have to draw the top view and then project the front view and then draw the cutting plane position in the front view. And then next draw the sectional top view. And then from the front view draw the true shape of the section. So initially draw the top view first. First draw the x-axis line using 2H pencil. Draw the x-axis line using 2H pencil. Draw the top view first. Our square prism, base resting on HP and one of the base side inclined 30 degree to VP. So mark a point, draw a 30, fix the protractor here. Fix the protractor here. Take 30 degree inclination. Draw a 30 degree inclined line first. Draw a 30 degree inclined line. Draw a 30 degree inclined line first. The degree inclined line. And then draw the top view. Draw a 30 degree inclined line. And then draw the top view first. Leave some distance and then mark a point, draw a perpendicular line. Our base side 40 mm. So 40 mm distance after, draw another one line, perpendicular line, and then complete the square. This is a square prism, so two bases are available. So give the naming view. A, B, C, D. Inside the bracket P, Q, R. Yes. So the top base represented by A, B, C, D. Letters A, B, C, D. Bottom base represented by P, Q, R, S. Now draw perpendicular line from the top view. Draw a perpendicular line from the top view. Using 2H pencil, draw perpendicular line. Draw perpendicular line. And how to identify the axis line? Join all the four opposite corners. Intersecting point as axis point. So draw the axis line from the intersecting. So our axis height equal to 60 mm. So extend up to 60 mm. How to draw the axis line? 5 to 6 mm line, 1 mm gap, 2 to 3 mm line, 1 mm gap, 5 to 6 mm line. Okay. Now dot the object using pencil. Dot the object. So initially you have to draw the diagram using 2H pencil because the top portion removed, the remaining portion only or required portion. So initially you have to draw the diagram using 2H pencil. Now the cutting plane passing through the bisecting the axis. So at the midpoint 30 mm distance, mark a point and fix the protractor here. Draw a 30-degree inclined line. The protractor here, 30-degree inclined line. Draw a 30-degree inclined line. Draw a 30-degree incline. So the bottom portion only our required portion. So dot the bottom portion only. We need to dot the top base, top portion. Okay. So you have to draw the diagram. The remaining portion using 2H pencil. Complete remaining portion using 2H pencil. Bottom only dark line. Now the front and top view completed. Now how to draw the sectional top view? Sectional top. First give the name to all the cutting points. All the cutting points. Give the name to all the cutting points. One dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 4 cutting points. Now in this case the D of S has invisible edge. So dotted line, the invisible edge dot. D of S invisible edge. And B of Q visible edge. B of Q visible edge. Okay. Now how to draw the sectional top view? By using 2H pencil, draw the section line The section portion always represented by the section line or hatching line. The section line or hatching line inclined 45 degree to XY axis line. Inclined 45 degree to XY axis line, and distance between the hatching line 2 to 3 mm. So draw a 45 degree incline line, approximately 45 degree incline line, and 2 to 3 mm gap between the section. Sectional top view over. Now how to draw the true shape of the section? Draw a perpendicular line from all the cutting points perpendicular to the cutting plane. Perpendicular to the cutting plane. Using 2H pencil, draw a perpendicular line from all the cutting points. Draw a perpendicular line from all the cutting points. Now draw another one axis line using 2H pencil to leave some distance. X1, Y1 axis line. Now mark the cutting points in top view also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now XY axis as the reference line, XY axis line center, point 1 distance as radius. From the corresponding line, draw the arc. Similarly, XY axis as center, by using compass, XY axis as center, point 2 as radius, point 2 as radius distance from the corresponding point, draw the arc. Mark the point 2. And then XY axis to point 3 distance as radius from corresponding point, draw the arc. Mark the point 3. Point. Similarly, how to mark the point 4? XY axis to 4 distance as radius from corresponding point, draw the arc, mark the point 4. Now join all the points to get the true shape of the section. Get the true shape of the section. Now how to draw the section line? Using 2H pencil, draw the hatching line, 45 degree to XY axis line, and 2 to 3 mm gap. Now mark the dimensions for base side 40 mm. The axis height 60 mm. Bisecting the axis, so the cutting plane position 30 mm from the base. 30 mm from the base. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series in our mechanical engineering. Thank you very much.